Hello, boys and girls. Mrs. Myers back with your last Foundations lesson for this week. Today's lesson is Foundations, Unit 11, Week 1, Day 3. If you haven't watched the lesson target video, Day 1 or Day 2, make sure you go back and watch those first. Our learning target for this week says that we're going to read words with long vowels that have that super busy E at the end. Let's practice and read these across. Ready? A, apple, A, safe, A. E, ed, E, P, E. I, itch, I, pine, I. O, octopus, O, home, O. U, up, U, mule, U, rule, oo. What are the two long sounds of U? Great job. They are U and oo. When does S say Z? There's two times. One, when it is a suffix at the end of a word, when we use this box here, or when it's between two vowels. Great job. Okay, now let's review reading and building words with long vowels with that tricky ninja E at the end. If you have a paper and pencil that you can use for this lesson, or a dry erase board or marker, please pause the video, get that, and come back and join me. Hit play when you're ready. Okay, are you ready? Okay, no writing until I tell you to. But let me build a word. You don't have to write it. I just want you to sound it out as I build it. Ready? B, R, A, V, E. What word do I have? Bravo. What? B-R-A-V-E. Right? Bravo. You are so right. This busiest letter in the alphabet, E, he's going to jump over that R to the end of the word and make A say its name. B-R-A-V. Brave. Did you also get brave? Fantastic. Okay, now here is where you're going to need your pencil. So go ahead, pick up your pencil or your marker and listen. Just like yesterday, I'm going to say a word. You're going to repeat the word, and then I want you to write the word. So repeat this word after me. Tide. Tap and blend it. T-I-D. Tide. Now I want you to spell it. Pause the video when you're done writing it. Hit play. Okay, how do you spell the word tide? Let me sound it out while I spell it. T-I-D. Okay, I hear I, so I need to make sure I got that E on the end of my word. Tide, T-I-D-E. Did you also spell tide, T-I-D-E? Fantastic. Okay, here's our next word. I want you to repeat the word after me. Are you ready? Rule. Tap and blend it. R-U-L. Rule. Now I want you to pause the video and write it. Hit play when you're done. Okay, let me sound it out as I build it. U, ul. I can't forget my E. Rule. R-U-L-E. Did you spell rule R-U-L-E? Did you forget to put your ninja E on the end? You can't forget to do that if you hear that long vowel sound. Okay, here is our next word. Repeat and tap and blend. Tube. Tap and blend it. T-u-b, tube. Now I want you to pause the video and write it. Okay, let's see how we spell the word tube. T-u-b. Oh, but I hear ooh, so I need to make sure I got my E on the end. Did you spell tube T-U-B-E? Great job. Okay, here's our next word. Repeat this word. Home. Tap and blend it. H-O-M, home. Now I want you to pause the video and write it. Okay, how do we spell the word home? H-O-M. Oh, I need to put that E on the end. H-O-M-E. Is that how you spelled home? I hope so, because I'm sure you did. I got a lot of super smart firsties this year. All right, repeat this word after me. Spike. Tap and blend it. Spike. Spike. Now pause the video and write it. Okay, did you write the word spike? How do you spell spike? Let me sound it out while I build it. S-P-I-K-I-E. Did you spell it S-P-I-K-E? Wonderful job. Okay, we're going to do 2 more words before we move on. Are you ready? Repeat the next word after me. Cape. Tap and blend it. K-A-P, cape. Now, pause the video and write it down. How did you spell the word cape? All right, let me sound it out while I build it. K-A-P. Cape. Did you spell cape? C-A-P-E? Fantastic. Okay, next word. Repeat this word. Zone. Tap and blend that word with me. Z-O-N. Zone. Pause the video and write that word. Great job. How do you spell the word zone? Z-O-N. Zone. I need to add that E because I hear the O sound. Z-O-N. Zone. Did you write Z-O-N-E? Super duper fantastic job, boys and girls. Okay, now let's review how to mark vowel, consonant, E words. Say that with me. Vowel, consonant, E. All right. Let's review our directions. Directions say 1. Scoop the syllable. 2. Write V-E under the word to show it is a vowel, consonant, E word. Remember that dash means that it is taking the place of a letter. Number 3 says mark the vowel with a macron, which is a dash, to show it's long. Slash out the E to show it is silent. Okay, let's tap and blend this word. Ready? K-A-V, cave. All right, let's get my pen ready. Okay, our directions said we're going to swoop it, mark it with a vowel, consonant, E. Then we're going to put a macron at the top to show that A is long. Okay, next word. Tap and blend this with me. Wise, wise. Remember, S can say Z between two vowels. So let's scoop the word, mark it with vowel, consonant, E, and put a macron above the I to show that it's long. Next word, let's tap and blend this. P-O-N, plain. So we're going to scoop the word, mark it with vowel, consonant, E, and put a brev. What? Mrs. Myers, wrong. What? I marked my vowel. Oh, this isn't a short vowel. It's a long vowel, so I need to put a macron, which is just a dash. It's a fancy way of saying a dash to show that plain has a long A. Let's tap and blend this word. B-I-K, bike. Scoop it. Uh-oh. Mark it with V, consonant, vowel, consonant, E, and put a macron above the I. Fantastic job. Okay, now I want you to pause the video and I want you to write this word down on your piece of paper. And I want you to mark it. Hit play when you're done. All right, let's tap and blend this word. Z-O-N, zone. Okay, I'm going to mark it and I want you to check your marking. I'm going to swoop it, vowel, consonant E on the bottom, and put a macron above it. Fantastic job. Double check your work. Okay, now we are going to learn 3 new trick words. So I want you to repeat this sentence after me. She is my friend. Now count the number of words in that sentence. How many words do you hear? 4. Good. Let me build it. She is my friend. Period. Here is my sentence. Now I'm going to circle the word and I want you to try to guess what word I circled. What word did I just circle? Great job. I circled friend. Spell this word with me. F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Good job. Now let's read this sentence together. She is my friend. Fantastic. Repeat this sentence after me. She is my other friend. How many words are in that sentence? 5. It was the same as our last sentence. I just stuck in another word. Okay, what word am I circling right now? Other. Great job. Read this sentence with me. She is my other friend. Wonderful. Now I'm going to switch our sentence up. So watch. It's going to be magic. Did I tell you it was magic? Okay, now repeat this sentence. Here is another friend. What word did I circle here? Great job. It's another. Let's scoop this let's read this sentence together. Here is another friend. Fantastic job. Okay, now I only got about 15 seconds to tell you this. I want you to pause this video and I want you to use your tracing finger and trace these words on a hard top. F,